Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're just going to basically just go over real quick, couple minutes. We're going to go over creating a new project and setting it. That's all we're going to do. So here we go. First off, go up here to your file and go down to project window. When you click on project window, this little project window pops up here. Basically this is going to be where everything's going to be sorted out, from your scenes to your sounds, even to the images you use for your textures. This is just to make sure everything doesn't just go off floating into the digital sea. So we'll have a project name, but if we click here, basically nothing's going on. So you have to hit new, and then you can put in a name. So if, to say, for instance, project 1. Let's put project 1A. And then click on the folder for our location here, and we should basically get a window that will basically say select location, and this will be basically the location of your project on the hard drive. So right now we have a not predestination folder, or another folder for a project that we were working on earlier. So we're going to backtrack, and we have a master folder with all our projects. This is going to be the location of your new project. So it could be any name in general. It could pertain to a particular semester, a project, a studio, whatever. So we hit select. So we have our name and our location. So from there, when you're done, just go ahead and hit accept, and your new project is created. No flashing lights, not much is going on basically. But the problem is, Maya doesn't particularly know exactly where to place everything just yet, so we have to set it. Set your project. So click on File, go down to Set Project, and we have Maya projects, but there's nothing in there. What's going on? Oh wait, never mind. A little bit of a memory issue here. So Maya projects, and we have project 1A. So that's the location of everything that we are working on is going to go in. So if we click on that real quick, we can have all our folders, and this is where it's going to sort basically everything. Sometimes you might need to kind of force Maya to like wake up, so I'll have to sometimes sort it on our own, but it usually doesn't happen. It's kind of extremely rare these days. So we'll go back, make sure we have the project selected, and we hit set. And that is it pretty much for creating a new project and setting. If you have any questions, feel free to ask a question in the actual comment section of this page for this video. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to have more tutorials in the future for just basic general questions about Maya, and keep on trying out Maya. Thank you.